Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes unknown USB device descriptor request failed error fixed. First step is type restore point in Windows search bar, click create restore point. Click configure. Turn on system protection. Click create, type any name. Open any browser. Type USB Oblivion in browser search bar. USB Oblivion download. Extract downloaded file. Find your system type. Check do real clean. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.